Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on your journey as a content creator, you will develop your own style of editing, creating videos. But the one type of style that I want to talk about here today is one that will not only help you as a content creator, but it'll help you immensely for many other places in your life. And that is doing the one-take video. And what I mean by that is you take one take, you don't have multiple videos that you created and then you're not editing, putting it all together. It's one long take like what I'm doing right now. And so the first benefit of doing this is obviously you only have to have one video. You don't have to have multiple videos where you have to put them together, do some editing, do some transitions. You don't have to do any of that. And the second much bigger benefit is what I kind of talked about a little bit earlier, is the fact that this will help you pretty much in every area of your life. Because if you do a one-take video shoot, that means you are going to be making mistakes. You have to be more focused, and at the same time, you have to adapt to a variety of different things. And so whenever you do that, that is the same thing as you presenting to people. You know, say you have to give a presentation to a group of people or one individual. You don't have time to redo your entire presentation. You're right there live. And so whenever you are put in that situations, you have to put a lot of skills together. You have to be very focused, and you have to get your ideas across in a very concise manner for the most part. And so that's why if you learn this skill of doing this one video take, it'll apply to you in many other areas. Your communication skills will get better, and at the same time, your ability to adapt, share your ideas will only improve over time. So that is my thought on doing the one take video. I highly recommend that you try it, and obviously mix it up if it's something that you want to do. But over time, I myself do a lot more one-take videos because I do enjoy that style, and I think it's pretty challenging as well, especially if you're trying not to make too many mistakes. And so if you had any thoughts on this, whether you have this one-take style, or maybe you like the whole idea of having a variety of clips and creating a story out of that, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.